Good morning children. Welcome you all in our math session. Previous session we have start our division chapter. Okay. And previous session we have learned how to do division. Okay. The number which is to be divided is called the dividend. Then the number which divides the dividend is called the divisor, and the result is called the quotient. Okay, and the leftover, if any, is called the remainder. Now children, today we are going to learn division using the number line. Okay, see, here is a number line and here is an example. Okay, divide 12 by 3. Now here in this example we have to divide 12 by 3. So where is 12? See, here is a 12. So we have to start from 12 and jump 3 steps. Why 3 steps? Because we have to divide 12 by 3. So from 12 we have to divide, and children, we have to jump 3 steps backward till we reach to 0. Okay, and you know division is a repeated subtraction, and in subtraction we move backward in the number line. So now here we have to jump backward till 3 when we reach to 0. So start from 12, see 1, 2 and 3, and we reach here near 9. So 3 steps means from 12 to 9. Okay, this is 1 step. Then again 3 steps means 1 here, then 2 and 3 means we are here to near 6. Again 3 steps we have to jump backward. See, from 6 to 5, 1, 5 to 4, 1, 2 and 4 to 3, also 3. So here third step. Okay, and from 3 to 0, 2 tak 1, then 1 tak 2 or 0 tak 3. So here. Now see, we reach to 0. Now we have to count the number of jump. Yes, see here, we reach here 1 number, then 2, then 3 and then 4. Okay, so hence 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, because we jump backward till 0. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. Understand children? This is the division using the number line. Now see here one more example. Divide 15 by 5. Okay. So first you have to see the number 15 on the number line. Yes, here, and we have to divide by 5. So you have to move backward or jump backward 5 numbers. Okay, from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we come here near 10. This is the first step. Okay, then again from 10, 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we come here near to 5. Again from 5, see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we are here near 0. Now see here children, how many steps we jump backward? This one, 1, here 2 and here 3. So, hence 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And you know children, 5 3s are 15. Okay. So, answer is 3. Okay. This is the quotient. Here also 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, means 3 4s are 12. 12 is the quotient. Children, I hope now you know how to do the revision using the number line. Children, now we are going to learn repeated subtraction. Now you know division can be done using repeated subtraction. Okay children, now we will see this with the example. Divide 18 by 3. Okay. Now, first step. First we have to subtract 3 from 18. Okay. See here, 18 subtract 3. You know, this is ones and tens. Now, 8 minus 3. Yes, 5. Okay. 1 minus nothing means 1. Okay. Children, this is the first step. Now, we have to take this 15 and again we have to subtract 3 from this 15. Okay. Understand? Children, you have to subtract these 3 from these numbers again and again. 3 again and again until you get 0. Okay. First step, 18 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 1 as it is at tens place. Now here 15 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Yes. And 1 as it is. Now we get 12. Again, right here 12. Then minus 3. We have to subtract this 3 until we get 0 here. Okay. Now see here 2 minus 3. 2 is smaller than 3. So we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So we have to borrow from tens place. So here we will get 12. Okay. Now 12 minus 3. From 3 we have to count forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get 9 here. Again write this 9. Minus again 3. Okay. So 9 minus 3. From 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. Again 6 minus 3. Okay. See here, we take 3 again and again because at last we will get 0 here. 6 minus 3, 3. Again take 3. This 3 upside and do subtraction by 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. Children, see here, we get 0 here. Now tell me children, how many times we subtract 3 here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, we subtract these 3 how many times? 6 times. So, answer is hence this 18 divided by 3 is equal to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. And children, you know, if we recite the table of 3, 3 6 are 18. Okay, this is the repeated subtraction and then we will get the division. Means what? Division can be done using repeated subtraction. Okay, let's see one more example. Here is one more example. Divide 36 by 6. Now tell me what to do here, children. First we have to subtract this 6 from 36. First step. Okay. Tens, ones. Write here 36 minus 6. Yes. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus nothing means 3. 30. Now take this 30 again here. So 30 minus 6. Here ones place 0 and 6. 0 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract. We have to take 1 tens from tens place. So here will remain 2 and here we will get 10. Now 10 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 4 and these 2 as it is. Okay. See, don't forget to write these 2 here down. Okay. Now next page, step 24. Subtract which number? Yes, again we have to take this 6 again until we will get here 0. Now here again 4 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow from tens place. When we gave 1 to 1's place, here will remain 1 and here we will get 14. Now 14 minus 6, from 6 we have to count forward up to 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. Okay. And this 1 as it is down. Now 18. 6 here. See here 18. Again 18 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Yes, 2. And 1 as it is. Okay. Again 12 minus 6. 2 is smaller than 6. So take 1 tens from tens place. Here we will get 12 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 is here. Okay. And again this 6 here minus 6. And you know 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we get 0. How many times we subtract 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Thus, yes, 36 minus 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 is the quotient or answer. And you know children, 6 is the 36. Okay, so our answer is correct. In this way, children, you have to do repetition subtraction, means division with repetition subtraction. I hope now you know how to do division on number line and how to do division with repeated subtraction. Thank you.